Hello everyone, my name is Wan Ting, Senior Application Engineer in UltiMaker APAC. I'm sure you have already watched our unboxing video, and thank you now for watching the part 2 of this unboxing video where we will discover what's in the box, where I will introduce to you all the items that are included with your Method XL printer packaging. And if you already watched the unboxing video earlier, you have seen that we took out certain foam and certain boxes, so we'll be introducing to you what's inside. And one thing I need to stress is, please do not discard the packaging. You will need to keep your packaging in case you will need to ship the printer back to your reseller for troubleshooting and repair. Okay, so with that, let's continue our what's in the box video. So right now, this one, if you remember, this was taken off the top of the packaging. This was placed above the printer itself. So at the very top, you see a layer of foam, and you have a Method quick start guide. Please refer to this guide and read through it before starting your unboxing. This will give you important information to refer to in case you forgot what was covered in the unboxing video. So put this to one side, and next, of course, then put this foam to one side, and then after that you will see this plastic lid. This is supposed to be placed on top of the XL printer, of the Method XL printer. And underneath the Method XL printer, we have a few documentation. We have a booklet information for your Makerbot 3D printer. We have the Method XL safety and warranty information. And of course, lastly, we have the EC declaration of conformity. Please keep this documentation and remember where you kept them. And then let's continue. So you will see pockets here. This you will receive a EU type power cable as well as a North America type power cable. Alright, so if you are in North America, please use the North America power cable, and if you are in other parts of the world, then please use the EU power cable. You will need, of course, an adapter if your socket is not one that accepts the EU type. And then of course, then you have the USB cable. And that's it for this very big foam. Okay. So move this aside. Moving on, we have the box 1. Alright, so remember, this box 1, you can easily remove it. This was actually in the Method XL 3D printer. And you can simply remove this box 1 by opening the front door of the Method XL 3D printer. So let me just take off the top foam, and then right here you see a carton box, which of course then which reads box 1, and then there is a reminder, of course, a few reminder message, but let's go through one by one. You will see this is the content. The material case is inside box 1, as well as 2 guide tubes. Right, for the Method XL, there are no integrated material base. That's why you have an external material case to place your spools inside and to load the material. And then of course, there's a reminder there's a build plate underneath the box 1, which is actually this. We will go to that later. A reminder that the materials and desiccant bags are actually shipped separately. You will receive a separate packaging for the materials, and also, of course, inside the material packaging there will be desiccant bags as well. Alright, so we already covered the power cords. Let's move this aside first. Alright, I want to talk about the spring steel build plate first. Okay, so just take it out, remove the plastic bag. Alright, so this is actually a flexible spring steel build plate. Okay, so put this one side first. And right now, let's go back to box 1. So just open up box 1. Right now, straight away you will see the material case. Take it out. I'll put the box over there. Remove the packaging. Alright, so immediately you will see on the top there's this latch. Okay, so simply at the rear, just lift up, it will unlock. Alright, and then just push it back, and the caddy lid, this part is what we call the caddy lid, just gently put it down. Alright, do not just slap it down onto the table. Okay. Now, of course, when it's down, when it's open, you can of course remove the blue protective sheet to the one side. Alright, let's walk you through what's inside first. Here we have plastic bags containing the guide tubes inside. They are taped to the internal of the material case. So just remove them. Alright. So you will need two to install. The other two in the other bag are spares for you, which is very sweet on our part. Alright. So let's take a look at the guide tubes first. Let me just remove this. Alright, so this is the other guide tubes. We will cover the setting up in the next video. My colleague Christopher will go through the setting up process with you. Alright, so put that one side. Let's go back to the material case. Alright, so right here you have a rubber seal that will make sure that when the lid is closed, right, it's fully sealed, and there will be no external air and moisture affecting the material spools inside. Okay, so again, to open the lid, simply just lift up the back of the latch, it will unlock, put it backwards, and gently put it downwards, put the lid downwards. Okay, now here you will see a paper which says Model 1, and on this side is for model, for the support material. Okay, so the left side of the material case is for placing the build, or rather the model material spool. On the right side is for putting the support material, which will be the rapid rinse water soluble material. And then here we have the filament rollers. All right, so that during printing, when the filament is continuously fed into the Method XL 3D printer, this one helps the spool to move as well. And you may be wondering what these pockets are for. They're actually for placing the Descant packs. Okay, for placing the Descant packs to protect the material spools from moisture. So this is an introduction of the material case. On the top, you'll see two holes. One, you also see the numbers 1 and 2. So now to close the lid, just close it, all right, and simply just make sure it latches on, all right, at the front, and then at the back, just push it down, and there you go, it's locked. So this is how you operate the material case for the Method XL. So thank you for watching our part 2 of our unboxing video, and I hope you like it. Please stay tuned for our third part of the video, where my colleague Christopher will introduce to you how to do this guided setup of the Method XL 3D printer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.